Let's take a look at this math problem, which may seem simple at first, but actually confuses many people. The question is this: 3 minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 5. Many people think they can start solving this problem just like that, and the mistake begins right there. Some people may first subtract 5 from 3, which gives -2. Then, inside the parentheses, they subtract 2 from 3, which again gives -2. Finally, they multiply -2 by -2 and reach the final answer of 4. However, this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics. Mathematicians, in order to prevent confusion and inconsistency, agreed long ago on a universal rule called the correct order of operations. This rule is known by a short acronym, PEMDAS. And each letter in the word PEMDAS stands for one step of the process. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. When we face a complex mathematical expression, we must first solve the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents. After that, we move on to multiplication and division. And finally, we perform the addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we move from left to right when calculating. Whichever comes first, we perform that operation first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to the order of operations. 3 minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 5. According to PEMDAS, we must first evaluate the parentheses. 3 minus 5 gives us -2. Now the expression becomes 3 minus 5 multiplied by -2. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. 5 multiplied by -2 becomes -10. 3 minus -10. The negative signs combine and turn into a positive sign. So the expression becomes 3 plus 10, which gives the answer 13. Therefore, our final answer is 13. Now, based on what you learned in this video, tell me in the comments what the value of this expression is. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.